might be interested.
The other one is more interested. He's dancing.
We're so lucky.
Oh wow!
Just saying.
Look, it's like moving. Hey, I didn't see the back.
Oh, very pretty as well.
And there's another one. Ah! I think he's trying to say that he should move.
We should move, eh?
No, the female to move.
No, he has to hold her properly. It's not about moving. She has to like him.